National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Morgan County, Hendricks County, northeastern Clay County, northeastern Owen County, southwestern Boone County, southeastern Montgomery County, Putnam County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crawfordsville to near Brazil, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Latigo around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greencastle, Cloverdale, Jamestown, and New Ross around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fillmore, Coatesville, Belle Union, Little Point, and Eminence around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Amo, Stylesville, Monrovia, and Clayton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 between mile markers 27 and 63. Interstate 74 between mile markers 52 and 67. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clay, Hendricks, Montgomery, Morgan, Owen, and Putnam.
Wow, it didn't do the 20 like thing.